living spaces, inside and out. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are focusing on one of the most underestimated areas of the home, the side yard. Specifically, we're talking about the side yard walkway. By definition, a side yard walkway is a functional and aesthetic path that connects the front of your property to the back, typically running along the side of your house. While many homeowners treat this area as a utility zone for trash cans or AC units, a well-designed walkway transforms this narrow strip into a meaningful transition space. It serves as a bridge between your public-facing curb appeal and your private backyard sanctuary, defining the boundaries of your landscape while providing a clear, safe route for foot traffic. Having a dedicated side yard walkway offers numerous benefits that go far beyond simple aesthetics. Primarily, it provides essential functionality by creating a stable, mud-free surface for walking, which is especially important during rainy seasons or for high-traffic areas. From a design perspective, a walkway adds structure to your landscape, making a small or awkward space feel intentional and organized. Furthermore, a beautiful path significantly boosts your home's property value and curb appeal. It shows potential buyers that every inch of the lot has been cared for. It also improves safety by providing a level surface and, when paired with lighting, ensures that navigating around your home at night is easy and secure. Decorating your side yard walkway is all about layering textures and managing vertical space. Since these areas are often narrow, you want to use thriller, filler, and spiller plants in slim garden beds or containers to add life without blocking the path. Incorporating low-voltage LED path lights or solar lanterns not only adds a magical glow at night but also highlights the textures of your walkway materials. To make the space feel larger, you can use curved lines to create a sense of mystery or use oversized pavers to make a bold statement. Don't forget the walls of your walkway. Adding decorative trellises with climbing vines or a fresh coat of paint to a fence can frame your path perfectly, turning a utilitarian passage into a lush, immersive hallway. Choosing the right materials is crucial for both durability and style. For a classic high-end look, natural flagstone or slate pavers offer organic shapes and rich earthy tones that blend seamlessly with greenery. If you prefer a modern, clean aesthetic, large-scale concrete pavers or steppers, surrounded by contrasting river rock or pea gravel are incredibly popular right now. For those on a budget, gravel or wood mulch paths are affordable and easy to install, though they require a bit more maintenance over time. Brick is another fantastic option for traditional or colonial-style homes, offering a timeless feel and incredible longevity. Ultimately, the best material should complement your home's architecture while being able to withstand your local climate and the level of foot traffic it will receive. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best side yard walkway ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the classic cobblestone curve. This design features a beautifully winding path made of multi-tonal gray pavers. The gentle curve breaks up the harsh lines of the house, while the dark mulch borders filled with manicured shrubs create a clean, professional look. The use of a brick-style border keeps the stones in place, ensuring the path remains as functional as it is beautiful. 2. Grand Estate flagstone entrance. Perfect for larger homes, this wide, sweeping path uses large cut flagstones in a random rectangular pattern. The soft tan and blue-gray hues of the stone perfectly complement a traditional brick exterior. Surrounded by lush green lawns and vibrant flower pots, this walkway creates a welcoming and prestigious entrance to the side of the property. 3. Modern minimalist Zen path. This idea utilizes large rectangular light gray concrete slabs set into a bed of fine gray gravel. The look is ultra-modern and clean, making it perfect for narrow spaces. The addition of galvanized metal planters and purple lavender along the fence line adds a touch of industrial chic and a wonderful fragrance to the walk. For the Japanese-inspired rock garden, a true masterpiece of landscape architecture, this walkway uses small gray pebbles as a base for large natural stepping stones. The strategic placement of large boulders and mossy mounds creates a tranquil, zen-like atmosphere. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who want their side yard to feel like a hidden sanctuary or a work of art. 5 Stepping stones through the emerald lawn. Sometimes simplicity is key. This design features rectangular concrete steppers embedded directly into a lush green grass strip. Framed by a rich wooden fence and a variety of climbing plants on trellises, this path feels soft underfoot and provides a beautiful, natural transition that doesn't feel overly paved. 6. The rustic river rock trail. This walkway uses large, irregular flagstones set into a bed of white river rocks or crushed shells. The high contrast between the dark stones and the white base makes the path pop visually. It's a fantastic way to handle drainage issues while creating a charming, seaside or cottage-style vibe in a shaded side yard. 7. Contemporary geometric light path. Modern and functional, this design features long, staggered concrete planks that float within the grass. What makes this idea stand out is the integrated path lighting. Small, sleek bollard lights illuminate the way, creating a high-end architectural feel that looks stunning during the evening hours. 8. The stamped concrete S-curve. This idea uses stamped and colored concrete to mimic the look of expensive stone masonry at a fraction of the cost. The elegant S-curve flows naturally between the house and the garden beds, providing a wide, solid surface that is easy to clean and perfect for moving equipment or hosting guests. 9. Architectural paver and ornamental grass duo. In this modern setup, clean white concrete pavers create a straight-line path that leads the eye toward the home's entrance. The path is flanked by tall, wispy ornamental grasses that add movement and privacy. This look is perfect for mid-century modern homes where clean lines and natural textures are a priority. 10. Tiered concrete steps with artificial turf. For side yards with a slight incline, tiered concrete slabs are a lifesaver. This design uses wide, low-profile steps to navigate the slope comfortably. The use of artificial turf between the sections ensures the area stays bright green year-round without the need for mowing in tight spaces, while the dark mulch adds a sophisticated finish. Transforming your side yard from a forgotten alleyway into a stunning walkway is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you choose the rustic charm of flagstone or the sleek lines of modern concrete, a well-thought-out path adds a layer of sophistication and order to your entire property. Remember, the best walkway is one that reflects your personal style while making your outdoor life just a little bit easier and more beautiful every day. If you enjoyed these side yard walkway ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your landscaping plans. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.